This will be the setup for the Eufy Pet. It has a fairly simple setup process. Realistically, it starts with plugging it in underneath here and then downloading the Eufy Pet app. The Eufy Pet app itself, which can be seen right here, is different than the Eufy security app that you might have if you have any other Eufy products. However, if you already have a Eufy security product and a username and password for that account, they will work with your pet account. So after which, we are going to plug in our Eufy Pet and then select add a device on our application. It's powered on, it has a green indicator light right there, waiting to see if there is an audible cue. It does not appear so. So we're gonna come back to the app and select add a device. So there is a QR code on the bottom of our device here, and I'm gonna take my pet here, which is now spinning around, and I'm going to scan the QR code on the bottom. The QR code has been scanned. Oh, and now we plug it in, which is why it gave us that problem. So yeah, it's solid blue. We're gonna select next. It is prompting us to select the sync button on top right here until we hear a beep. We've heard a beep. I'm going to select, I have heard a beep, because it's going to talk to the pet here via Bluetooth. So if you don't have your Bluetooth on, you're going to want to make sure that you turn that on. And it is going to connect to our device. And we're going to see how long that setup takes. We are still flashing blue down there. And I'm going to quickly double check to make sure I have my Bluetooth on. All right, it wants to know what network it's going to be on. I'm going to throw this on my IoT network and quickly put in my username.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait.
And it said connecting to the Wi-Fi network if you did not hear that. And we're going to give this a chance to get onto my IoT network.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network, please wait.
Yes, we are waiting for you to connect. Notice it's blinking red now.
Setup was successful.
Good, second time around. We're going to select next. Camera name, we're just going to call this Eufy Pet, matches the name. Select next. And I'm assuming that that camera is going to pop on, so we're going to put that over there. And it wants to update it, so we're going to say update. And just like with anything else, there will be a firmware update. It will take a little time. In this case, it says it can take up to 9 minutes. I don't think it's going to, but I will run the firmware and let you know. Completion time for firmware update, 18. So like 3 minutes, not bad. We're going to select finish, and there you go. That is going to be a live feed from the device. It's letting us know this is how you would send treats. And that completes setup.